At Digital Innovators, we believe that everyone has the potential to succeed and excel in their careers. We are here to help you unlock your potential and develop new skills so you can be the best you can be. But how do we actually do this? Well, we help young people and those not currently in education, employment or training access career opportunities by providing them with confidence, self-belief, leadership and digital skills to help them stand out. Our program is designed to help young people harness their potential and tap into their innate digital skills, which are so sought after by employers. While academic skills remain important, employers tell us they need work-ready employees, people with the skills to communicate, collaborate, and innovate. So that's what we teach. Our unique approach to industry placements has seen groups of students tackle challenges from organisations such as the NHS, West Midlands Police, BNP Paribas Personal Finance, and National Grid. So, are you ready to kickstart your career? For more information, please visit www.digitalinnovators.co.uk. Digital Innovators, unlocking potential.